Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am planning to stay in New York exactly for 24 hours, starting with today's dinner until tomorrow's lunch. So I plan on eating only at the viral food places. So without a further ado, let's go. I am currently on my way to New York from Boston and it is raining, and actually throughout the trip it was raining like heavily. So because it's raining I was craving something spicy, so we stopped at this Chipotle. I'm gonna tell you this crazy combination. Get some quesadilla like with the chips and have it with like the very spicy sauce that you get at Chipotle, and it is like so bomb, and it is the best snack especially when it's raining. This isn't like a viral recipe that I'm telling you guys, but this is something I really crave. Time it's raining, please do try it. I wanted to start with the Time Out Market mainly because we have a very good viewpoint of the Brooklyn Bridge. Any food with a view would only make it way tastier, right? But then we thought change of plans and we had moved on to Joe's Pizza.
The line. We are at Joe's Pizza right now. Time at the karle patta, just 5 minutes max. So,
Any drinks?
no.
1905?
Okay.
Pepperoni mozzarella.
It's to go.
To go?
Yeah. I got one pepperoni, one cheese, and this one has like tomato. Shall we eat now? Oh, very refreshing. See, so all the tomatoes in it, right, are just complementing the whole thin crust kind of pizza pretty well. It was like up to $5 per slice. I think it got famous because it's like that little spot, something like that. Yeah. And the vibe was pretty random. It was almost like Ramji Bandi in Hyderabad. That's the vibes I got. But definitely the whole base taste of the pizza tastes completely different from anything I had before. I think the marinara they try to make it as juicy as possible. I don't know how they got that, but it's complementing the pizza pretty well. Maybe because it's raining friendly in New York, the line wasn't so big. I just had to wait like a minute in the line. Okay, let's move on to the next stop. It's still raining and I am here for the Adele's halal food. Goes all the way till that pink thing almost. You see, I think almost 30 people are waiting in the line. It's legit 1 a.m. in the morning. I think this is a pretty promising place. I legit thought it's like at least a stall kind of food like at an actual spot, but this is like in the like on the wheels kind of thing. I'm sorry, I'm kind of shy when it comes to vlogging in public. I'll see you with the food. This one has chicken, lamb, fries, yellow rice and spicy rice. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. There you go.
The food was halal style. When I had the chicken, I was like, wait, why is it famous again? I mean, it's good, but it's not worth waiting in the line. But the lamb, oh my god, the lamb rice slapped. Another rainy day in New York, guys. We are at Cafe Paradiso right now, and this filming in public is taking the hell out of me. But look at my outfit. Look at the line now. I'm thinking this is gonna take a good 20 minutes at least, but because it's just coffee, I think it shouldn't take so long. So let's see what the hype is all about.
I'm so sorry I'm doing most of the food reviews in the car. It's been a very hectic day and it's rainy. It would be so cute to sit and eat at the store or whatever, but first thing, the stores are like pretty busy, and second thing, we are choosing to go to those places, so I'm not the one who's complaining. I got the salted brown butter oat latte and smells like coffee. Here goes the first thing. I am so excited about this coffee because everybody is legit raving about it. Should we get into it? Okay, that's pretty interesting actually. I can feel the salt, but it's not very like a salty coffee. I'm actually really glad I took the oat milk one because somehow the oat milk and the butter are complementing each other better than the normal. Somehow, because it had brown butter, I expected it to be like very creamy. It's creamy enough, but I wouldn't know there's butter in it had I not looked at the ingredients. The taste of the butter is like so subtle. I wanna know what beans they use. The coffee by itself is pretty solid. Also, as soon as I drink it, there is this urge to keep drinking it. Like I don't want to stop drinking. Now that's a clear sign of a very good coffee. Cheers! On to the next one. Oh, the number of times I saw it on Instagram, everybody is like, oh my god, let's see, oh my god, how is it? From Apollo Bagels, I got the Lox bagels and the cream cheese. Let's see, this is the bottom and the salmon. I think it has some cream cheese, sourdough bread, or New York bagels or New York pizza. Anything bready from New York is hyped like a lot. I don't know if it's because the people here like it that way. So, oh my god, my mouth is watering. The sesame seeds are so good. It's been so long since I had sesame anything. I had a salmon bagel just yesterday for breakfast. That is nothing compared to this. Oh my god, so good. I think something happened with the order. This is the actual Lox. And so I ordered a Lox and a cream cheese sourdough. I got both salmon. I think that was salmon cream cheese and this is the Lox. Let's get into the better stuff, shall we? It has some onion. I'm glad I tried that first. This is like, it's dead, so. I didn't know I'm gonna like sesame as an ingredient like so badly, but so my grandma used to make this sweet. It's called arise in Telugu. And she puts a lot of sesame seeds on top of it, that to roast it. And I used to not like the sesame seeds on that. I used to get the plain ones when I was younger, but this reminded me of the sesame seed ones. They used to be like, it's good for health and everything. I'm like, sure, whatever. But now I am loving the sesame seed part of this bagel the most, more than the salmon as an ingredient. I think I like simpler taste than the complicated ones. This is good, but if I have to choose, I would choose the plain salmon cream cheese over the Lox as a set. Okay, on to the next one. This coffee will make it to my top 5 forever list.
Because it was raining and I was mostly going out all wet, so I thought soup is the best thing to have. So we came to this Kim's Ramen. It's super viral.
Here's one gyoza. One gyoza, one taraki, one harashige, no food allergies. Thank you so much.
For a moment, I literally thought I'm in Japan, not even in New York anymore, because the ambience was so good. Even the structure of the building, the people who are serving us, and everything was like so 10 on 10. I really loved the atmosphere. It was so good that I had to stop recording. Yeah, it's that good.
You like that?
I am filled.
We had to make a pit stop at Magnolia Bakery because they had the very famous banana pudding. But we already had enough desserts for the day, so we thought let's just take it home and eat it with friends.
Okay, we are in between the whole baggage check-in thing. We got the Magnolia banana pudding. I was gonna take it home and then eat it, but apparently it's spreadable, so let's eat it right away. Just like this. It's so sad we can't take it. Okay, we just completed one tub. Let's move on to the next one.
It was so light that we were able to complete 2 tubs of the banana pudding in one go. So glad we didn't waste any of that pudding. Oh, we actually said we'll give one of the puddings to the officer, but we just ended up eating everything. It's pretty good.